एवरीवन, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। मैं हिमानी, आपकी स्पिरिचुअल गाइड। सो आई एम बैक विथ अनदर वीक्स हॉरोस्कोप, दैट इज फॉर द वीक 12th ऑफ अक्टूबर टिल 18th ऑफ अक्टूबर। देखते हैं इस हफ्ते यूनिवर्स आपको क्या गाइड कर रहे हैं, आपके लिए क्या गाइडेंस यूनिवर्स की तरफ से है, आपको कैसे प्लान करना है ये हफ्ता, कैसे डिसीजन लेना है। तो सब इस कार्ड्स के थ्रू आप सबको पता चल जाएगा। मैं जनरली मून साइन के हिसाब से रीडिंग करती हूँ। आई नो कई बार किसी को अपना डेट ऑफ बर्थ पता होता है तो टाइम नहीं पता होता है एंड दे आर अनेबल टू फाइंड द मून साइन। सो अगर आपको मून साइन नहीं पता है तो घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है। ये रीडिंग्स आप सन साइन की एनर्जी से भी देख सकते हैं। उसका जो गाइडेंस है उसका यूज वैसे ही आएगा जैसे मून साइन का आता है, बिकॉज दीज गाइडेंसेज आर प्रिपेयर्ड विथ लव एंड कॉस्मिक अबंडेंस। गणेश जी का ब्लेसिंग्स हैं इस गाइडेंसेस पे, तो आप ज़रूर रेजोनेट करेंगे। तो बिफोर दैट सबसे निवेदन है, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं सो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड प्रेस द नोटिफिकेशन बटन सो दैट आपको वीडियो नोटिफिकेशंस हर न्यू वीडियो के सबसे पहले मिल जाएंगे। और ये वीडियो आप अपने फ्रेंड्स फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि वो भी गाइडेंसेस देख सके और अपना वीक स्मूथली प्लान कर सके। मैं टाइम स्टैम्प डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में, तो आप अपना ज़ोडिएक उस टाइम के हिसाब से देख सकते हैं। फॉर एनी पर्सनलाइज असिस्टेंस या आपको मुझसे बात करना है, आपको सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स एंड जीमेल आईडी वहाँ मिल जाएगा, आप मेरे से रीच आउट कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम। So first zodiac sign is Aries. Let's see what is stored for Aries. Okay, so Aries, for you the card which I have pulled out is Princess of Autumn, जो कह रही है इस हफ्ते you will be very responsible towards your work, towards your personal life, and you will be at the same time very cheerful and mischievous. So naughty भी रहोगे, कुछ हरकतें naughtiness की करोगे, cheerful भी रहोगे। So this is the week where you will get happy news about your career. हो सकता है आपको प्रमोशन मिल जाए या फिर सैलरी बढ़ जाए, या अगर आप कोई नया करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढ रहे हैं सो इट इज़ द राइट वीक फॉर यू। ऑल्सो स्टूडेंट्स को अगर हायर एजुकेशन के लिए आगे अब्रॉड में पढ़ाई करनी है या कहीं भी आगे पढ़ाई करनी है, दे विल गेट स्कॉलरशिप ऑल्सो। और ये कार्ड ये भी कहता है यू शुड हैव अ वेल थॉट प्लान दैट will go perfectly with your career, with your life. So it should be a well thought plan. So you need a little push to get going. So अगर आपको थोड़ा extra push मिल जाए and आप extra मेहनत करो, you will definitely be successful. So all the best Aries. चलिए टॉरस पे चलते हैं। The next zodiac sign देखते हैं उनके लिए क्या गाइडेंस है। ओके, टॉरस आपके लिए कार्ड आया है प्रिंस ऑफ विंटर, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू विल बी वेरी फोकस्ड एंड डिटरमाइंड टूवर्ड्स योर गोल, टूवर्ड्स योर करियर। ऑल्सो अगर आप कहीं स्टक हैं और आपको सोल्यूशन चाहिए, सो दिस इज द वीक वेयर यू नीड टू सीक आउट सोल्यूशन टू योर प्रॉब्लम, इंटेलेक्चुअल सोल्यूशन। तो आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स, आपके कोई जानकारी में somebody who is very intellectual and who is very logical, go and reach out to them for solutions to your problem. Also ये हफ्ता आपको एकदम डिसीजंस लेने हैं क्विकली और डिसाइसिवली, बिल्कुल कंफ्यूज्ड नहीं होना है। बट एट द सेम टाइम डोंट बी इम्पल्सिव कि सडनली आपने एकदम से डिसीजन ले लिया। कई बार विदाउट थिंकिंग डिसीजंस गलत हो जाते हैं। सो you need to be decisive, you need to act quickly, but at the same time with a focused mind and not impulsive mind. Also you might expect sudden unexpected changes in your life, so be prepared for it. So good or bad, it depends on what is the changes coming up, but you have to be ready for sudden or unexpected changes. So all the best Taurus. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन जेमिनाई, लेट्स सी क्या गाइडेंस है फॉर जेमिनाई. ओके, Gemini, for you the card is 7 of summer, which means no more procrastinating. So it is not the right time for procrastinating. Be focused. Your power comes from making a decision and not overanalyze the situation where confusion arises. So make the decision without confusion, be practical, and don't overanalyze the situation. If you feel this is right, go ahead. Don't think अगर आप ये सोच रहे हो ये करोगे ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया, ये ठीक है ये गलत है. Don't overanalyze situation, because too much of overanalyzation can also create confusion. So Gemini, हमें confused नहीं होना. We have the power to make decision right. So we have to be practical and we have to take decision with focused mind and not analyze too much about the situation. So think about it. All the best. Let us move ahead and check the guidance for Cancer. कर्क राशि के लिए let's see क्या guidance आया है. Okay, Cancerians, the card comes out is strength, which means you need to have inner strength and grace to overcome any challenges. So if you face any challenges this week, Cancer, it is the time to have inner strength so that you can overcome those challenges. Also, this is the time where you need to have the power of kindness and forgiveness. So whosoever have hurt you, I know it is very difficult, but you have to be kind and you have to forgive others to move on. It is the time to believe in yourself and it is the time to embrace yourself, that how wonderful you are. Self love is very important. If you have self love, you can love anyone and you can find good love. So this is the time to have self love and embrace yourself and feel that how wonderful you are. So all the best, Cancer. चलिए नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक साइन पे चलते हैं. लियो, सिंह राशि. लेट्स सी द कार्ड. ओके, सो लियो आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 6 ऑफ समर, विच मीन्स दिस वीक यू विल बी रीलिविंग योर चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज, गुड मेमोरीज, and you will feel so nostalgic, thinking about your childhood friends, your childhood memories, your childhood good part, lovable part, without any worries. So that is what the week is all ahead for Leo. You will be reliving your childhood memories, or you might yourself be a child again, doing things which every child wants to do. So this week you might be a child itself, or you might be living your childhood memories. Also, you might meet your childhood buddies, your ex lover this week. So there might be return of people or your ex, and you will have different events, different time spending with them, with your friend or with your ex lover, and you will have a good time together. Also, you need to focus on childhood memories which makes you happy, rather than which has occurred in a very worst way, or which has occurred in a different way, because mistakes, we learn from them and move on, and we always remember a good part of our childhood memory. So think about it. All the best, Leo. Let us go ahead and check the guidance for Virgo, that is Kanya Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Virgo, for you the card is 10 of autumn, which means this is the time to take steps for financial securities for your loved ones, for your parents, for your children. You have to think about long-term future. So you will be focusing on financial security. Also, this is the time where you need to make wise investments and you will be planning for your retirement, because retirement हर किसी के साथ आता है. So it is the way how we plan our retirement. कोई भी investment करना जो आगे चल के काम आएगा, या financial security for the loved ones. Also, you will be honoring your family traditions, legacy. So this is the week where you might get your inherited property, legacy, and you will be honoring your family tradition this week. You will be celebrating how your family celebrate festivals and how they respect the family tradition. So all this you will be honoring this week. All the best, Virgo. चलिए लिब्रा पे चलते हैं, द नेक्स्ट जोडियक साइन. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द गाइडेंस फॉर लिब्रा. Okay, so Libra, for you the card which I have pulled out is Queen of Summer, which means this week you will be very comforting, very compassionate, very emotional towards your loved ones. You will listen to your heart, you will listen to your instinct. Whatever decisions this week you will be making, you will be listening to your heart, listening to your instinct. But at the same time, you are so compassionate, you will be taking care of others perhaps too much. So I advise you, Libra, take care of others, but at the same time take care of yourself as well, because if you ignore yourself, then you will not be able to take care of others and you will be not in good condition. So take care of others. I know you are very compassionate, very loving, but at the same time take care of yourself also. Don't be too much caring for others and leaving behind yourself. Have a balanced approach, and trust me, listen to your heart, your instinct. You should trust to make decisions that will definitely be right and on the right path. So all the best, Libra. Let us go ahead and check the guidance for Scorpio. Let's see the card. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is 3 of Autumn, which means it is the time to follow your passion when it comes to career. कई बार हम अपने hobbies, अपने passion को छोड़ के दूसरा career ले लेते हैं and we are not happy. So this is the time where this card is telling you, follow your passion when it comes to your career. Be the best in whatever you do. So make efforts, learn new things, and be the best at whatever you do. Follow your passion, at the same time be the best what you do. Also this week you might be compensated for your creative talent. So maybe you have prepared a painting, you have made a painting which might get sold out in some exhibitions or somewhere and you earn from it. So you will get compensation for your creative talents. Or maybe if you are a tarot reader or astrologer, you might take a reading and you will get money in return. Whatever your hobbies are, if you are dancing, you might dance for a show where you get compensation for it. So this is the week, Scorpio, where you will be compensated for your creative talents. Or you are a good cook, you are cooking, maybe you'll get money out of it. So whatever it is, you will be rewarded for your creative talent. So all the best, Scorpio. Let us go ahead and check the guidance for Sagittarius. Let's see the card, open the card for Sagittarians. Okay, Sagittarians, for you the card is Princess of Winter, which means this week you will be very inquisitive. You need to know each and every details. Whatever you are doing, you will go deep into it to understand how this happened, what is it. So you will be very inquisitive, you will be truthful, at the same time very undiplomatic, you will be straightforward, you will be real, you will be realistic. Sometimes this hurts people, but it is your habit, Sagittarians, this week. So you will be very truthful. Information that can help you but which may also be difficult to hear. So maybe you might tell somebody about the information that will help them, but in return it is very difficult to hear. Sometimes truth is difficult to hear, but you have to be very kind when you are speaking the truth, or you should be relaxed if somebody is speaking the truth to you. So you have to be relaxed and be strong and listen to the truth. I know truth are painful, truth are difficult to hear, but sometimes it also helps you in the long run. So speak the truth with kindness. So all the best, Sagittarians. Don't be rough. Speak the truth but with kindness. So let us move ahead with the next zodiac sign, that is Capricorn. Let's see what is the card for Capricorn. Okay. Capricorn's card is Ace of Autumn. So Ace of Autumn is telling you this week you will get everything in windfall, everything in large quantity. Whether if you are seeking for advice, you will get advice too much in return, or you are giving too much advice to others, or if you seeking assistance from others for anything, that also you will get in windfall. You need to choose from it. At the same time, your money, you will receive, if you are stuck, your money, if your money is stuck, you will receive the money that is also in windfall. Maybe a stuck money, maybe an FD is matured, anything. You have won a lottery, there might be a possibility that you have invested in lottery and you have won the lottery. So it's a windfall of money, advice and assistance from others, everything. Also, whatever project you will be working on, it will be a successful project. Whatever project you are working on, it will be a successful project. Also, if you are planning for a career change, there will be a happy change in your career. You can find a new job, or in your current job you might have a happy time. Your profile has been changed, which will help you to be growing in your career, financially successful. So overall it's a good week for you, Capricorn. You might get promotion, salary hike, so manifest it. All the best. Let us move ahead to Aquarius. चलिए देखते हैं Aquarius के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, Aquarius, आपके लिए कार्ड आया है 8 of Spring, which means this week lot of things are happening in your life. So stress comes from having many things at once. So बहुत कुछ हो रहा है, that will give you stress. So relax. You are successful in multitasking. अब बहुत चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में हो रही हैं. Relax. Don't take too much of stress. You are a successful in multitasking. So there might be sudden events or changes in your life. Maybe a project change. Maybe some changes are happening in your life. So too much of things are happening that might cause you stress. So you have to be relaxed, as you are yourself successful in multitasking. So आराम से ठंडे दिमाग से सोच के काम कीजिए, Aquarius. All the best. Let's move on to the last zodiac, Pisces. Let's see what is the card for Pisces. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is 4 of Autumn, which means this is the week where you need to manage your resources wisely. Have a balance between how you spend and save money. So not to spend too much unnecessary, and not holding the money and not enjoying anything. So you have to strike a balance between how you spend and how you save. Both is important to have a successful life. Also, it is the time to give charity or help others who are less fortunate. So you have that ability to help others who are less fortunate. So think about it. It's a good habit, helping others. So all the best, Pisces. And thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope this week gives you happiness, blessings and lots of success. Take care. See you next week. Bye bye.